Okay, problem. Leaking fork seals happens to everybody, worse on the disc side, but it's a problem no matter what. This thing is probably the best invention in the bloody world as far as I'm concerned for fixing the problem. So most of the time there's dirt in the seal. It's not worn out. It takes forever to really wear out a seal, so there's dirt in the seal. If you can get the dirt out, job's a good one. Seal doctor. So it comes with a trick little holder which protects these parts. There's a thinner part here which is to go up into the seal, and then this is the part that goes for the wiper itself. So we'll get what I've done here is, if you get a troublesome one and it just seems a bit tougher to get it out, you can compress the suspension, put a tie down on there. So what it's doing is it's putting more pressure in the fork and the oil come out a bit more and probably bring out the bit of dirt a bit easier, but you don't have to do that, it just can be easier. Right, so getting the wiper off, just need a normal flat blade sort of screwdriver, and you push that down, then you get the thin part again. It's got a thing saying up. You put that onto there, and it gets into the seal. You can see you're going to lose a little bit, but you pull that down, and you wouldn't get that flow normally if you didn't have this tie down. I'm going to the extremes. Now you pull this one up, which is the wiper. You can clean it that way. If you're having a troublesome seal and you're a bit worried you're going on a trail ride, you can even keep them on here. But basically, you clean all that up, and you know, generally this thing works and your seal will stop leaking. So you just clean that up, you can release this here. But you know, the pressure on there is what made it flow out quicker, but that's for extreme cases where there's a stubborn bit of dirt, but it works unreal, this thing.